I'm Glenn from Get Down and Dirty Prospecting. Today I'm showing you a DIY sluice that my dad built in probably 1979. It's made of an old sign, and it's a classic old sign. Little Ship Marine Finishes. I mean, this sign would have been worth a lot of money now. If he knew how much it was worth, he certainly would have used something else. But you know what gold does to you? Makes you do these things. Here's the side to protect and beautify a. I'm not sure if that's Navy craft. I'm not sure. I can't tell. I can't read the rest. I love the dolphin. What a classic! And it still goes in the water today. Here's the top end. British Paints Unlimited. So I'll turn it over now and show you how we built it. So basically we've got, this is just to keep it in straight. We've probably glued the bottom rail in. These are just screwed in, these two battens. Nothing special there, just screwed in. What is special is this door here, which was our flow meter. So we'd aim our flow to a certain direction and it'd hit here, and we used to just shuffle it on as fast as we could, and we wanted a break, we'd just turn it off. But usually it was flowing and it wasn't that strong that it'd just blow everything out. So most of the stuff was here. We'd have 2 or 3 grams quite often just sitting in this first run. You can see the specks working their way down. In the second tray we'd have about 15 specks, no more than that, and maybe in the third we'd have 2 or 3 few light specks at the back. As you can see, if we look in the light, look at that, there's just it looks like hail damage from the amount of shoveling, and occasionally big rocks on the end of your shovel would hit the tin. Hail damage. So what I'll do now is I'm going to undo a couple of the rails. I used this about 4 or 5 years ago with my 2 daughters, and we had in conjunction with the rocker. So, and I don't know how long it has been before it's been cleaned out. So what we'll do is we'll undo the batten, or 2 battens, and we'll see if we can find a colour or 2. Might be a little chunkster, who knows?
Okay.
This screw is going to be pretty hard. To reuse it, I'm going to have to put that screw back in and maybe a bit of tapping, but it looks like too much work. Looks like it really had its day. Okay, this is what's come out of the 2 little barrels. I've just put them back in. They're not much dirt, just a little bit of dirt that came from under both. We'll see if there was much in there. Oh yeah, there's just a few little colours that we didn't pick up in 1970 when we last used it. Oh, there you go. Can you really close, maybe just those little fellas there. That's what came out of a 1979 old sluice. Bit of fun. I hope you liked the video, and subscribe, that's always good. And if you want more details, we'll give you the diagrams and you can make your own DIY sluice. Have a good one.